Here are the top 5 cybersecurity news for today. Cyber news number 1. Cybersecurity researchers have discovered a novel malware campaign that uses Google Sheets as a command and control mechanism. The campaign, detected by Proofpoint, impersonates tax authorities from Europe, Asia, and the US, targeting over 70 organizations worldwide with a bespoke tool called Voldemort. The malware gathers information, delivers additional payloads, and utilizes Google Sheets for C2, data exfiltration, and executing commands from operators. The campaign has not been attributed to a specific threat actor, but is believed to be espionage activity conducted to support unknown final objectives. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Cyber news number 2. P0 Security. P0 Security, a startup focused on secure cloud access, has secured $15 million in Series A funding from SIN Ventures, Zscaler, and Lightspeed Venture Partners. The company aims to provide an alternative to traditional approaches to access governance and identity security by helping corporate security engineers lock down cloud access for users and developers. Cyber news number 3. Tropic Trooper. Cyber campaign targets government entities. Unnamed government entities in the Middle East and Malaysia are being targeted by a persistent cyber campaign orchestrated by Tropic Trooper since June 2023. The attack chain delivers a malware implant named Crowdor, which is designed to deliver Cobalt Strike and maintain persistence on infected hosts. The campaign targets critical governmental entities related to human rights studies in the Middle East, specifically focusing on the Israel-Hamas conflict. Cyber news number 4. Colombian insurance sector targeted by Blind Eagle. APT Group, the Colombian insurance sector, has been targeted by a threat actor tracked as Blind Eagle, which aims to deliver a customized version of the Quasar rat remote access Trojan since June 2024. The attack chain originates with phishing emails impersonating the Colombian tax authority, enticing recipients into clicking on malicious links that serve as the launchpad for infection. The malware, dubbed Blotchy Quasar, packs obfuscation layers using tools like DeepC or ConfuserX, and includes capabilities to log keystrokes, execute shell commands, steal data, and monitor interactions with specific banking services in Colombia and Ecuador. The threat actor uses VPN nodes and compromised routers primarily located in Colombia to shield its infrastructure, demonstrating continued use of this strategy. Cyber news number 5. Ransomware/malware. A hacktivist group called Headmare has been linked to cyber attacks targeting organizations in Russia and Belarus since 2023. The group uses modern methods to gain initial access, including exploiting a recent vulnerability in WinRAR. They deliver malicious payloads disguised as legitimate files and demand ransoms for decryption. Headmare's toolkit includes custom-made malware like Phantom DL and Phantom Core, which can deliver additional payloads and upload files to a command and control server. The group also uses phishing campaigns to distribute malware, disguising it as business documents or legitimate applications. Thanks for sticking with us. Please like and subscribe for more updates.